The IDS-Connector is the entry point for everyone into a data space. That means for a data provider, he can describe and publish its data into a data space. On the other hand side, for the data consumer, it means he can search for data and he can assess the data. He can negotiate with the data provider on the obligations, on usage policies to process and use the data. That means both have to provide a trustworthy runtime for data. This trustworthy runtime is evaluated based on the IDS certification. That means a neutral evaluator certifies and evaluates the connector and clarifies that the trustworthy capabilities and security capabilities are really met.